Vehicle ownership often involves routine cosmetic and mechanical maintenance to ensure the car is continuously in working condition. However, miscommunication between the repair shop and the vehicle owner often leads to longer repair time and overall frustration, which is why we created the Repair Express status system to ensure communication and progress is properly reported during vehicle maintenance. Once downloaded on your mobile device, users can create a profile and search for repair shops via the software application. To help owners track progress and get updates on their vehicles, the repair shop provides an order number for the transaction. Repair and maintenance progress and updates on the car can be accessed at any time. The chat option makes it possible to communicate instantly with the repair shop, eliminating the need for unnecessary phone calls.